Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Such form of mercury was absorbed by fishes and concentrated within their bodies to the dangerous levels. These fishes containing about 50 ppm of mercury when consumed by people led to an epidemic of nervous problems including numbness, tingling sensations, headaches, blurred vision, loss of muscle control and slurred speech. About 50 people died and more than 3,500 became disabled. The children suffered from mental retardation, cerebral palsy and convulsions. People of Japan, Sweden and Canada are still suffering from Minamata disease because these countries widely use mercury compounds as algicides and fungicides in agriculture, pulp and paper industries and chloroalkali plants. Minamata tragedy is an example of marine water pollution, mercury pollution and biomagnification. Now, the next pollution case study that relates to Taj Mahal issue or Taj Mahal pollution. Now we will see the world famous Taj Mahal being one of the 7 wonders of the most beautiful monuments of the world according to 2007 series, attracts international tourists world around throughout the year. It was built along the bank of river Yamuna by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz more than 350 years back in Agra. It is now concluded in the list of World Heritage due to its archaeological importance. In 1972, Government of India established Mathura oil refinery in Mathura. This step was most resented by various environmentalists of the country and protested that its air pollutants were harmful to Taj Mahal. During the oil refining process, sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, is released in a large quantity along with the smoke. Air containing SO2 blow all round and reacts with water during rains. Sulfur dioxide combines with water to form sulfurous acid and sulfuric acid and produces acid rains. Environmentalists protested that acid rain causes damage to the white marbles of Taj Mahal. Government constituted a committee in 1974 to find out the fact and authorized Italian company techniques to evaluate the changes occurring in the air due to Mathura oil refinery of Indian Oil Corporation. According to the report of the committee and determinations carried out by Indian company, it was concluded that in Agra, the quantity of sulfur dioxide would increase up to 1 to 3 microgram, which is negligible and harmless to the Taj Mahal. As a precautionary measure, the nearby factories have been now removed to sustain healthy air around this tourist center. Also, government adopted a liberal attitude of leaving LPG connections to replace burning of coal and wood fuel in the surrounding area. Now, the next pollution case study will deal with, that is the London smog disaster. On Thursday, 4th December 1952, a high temperature air mass covered southern England and due to temperature difference, a white fog settled over London. It blackened due to rise of particulate matter and sulfur dioxide level arising from coal-fired heating and power production systems. Coal-induced smog was formed by interaction of sulfur dioxide, smoke and water to produce sulfuric acid mist. Such condition lasted for 5 days